Hi, everybody, and thanks for tuning in. We are going to be talking to you about Planned Parenthood's confidential services, who we are, how to contact us, and how we work with patients to make our services affordable and a lot of times free for y'all. This is our education team.
My name's Hillary.
I'm Mallory.
And I'm Giovanni. So anytime you're looking to connect with us to ask any questions, get involved, or book an appointment, please know there are so many ways for us to be reached. If you'd like to book an appointment, here's our 1-800 number. Sometimes people feel nervous about calling for an appointment, so you can always go to our website at ppcwny.org to just book online. If you're having trouble with either of these options, or you just want to talk to an educator, the best way to reach our team is through our Instagram at sarcasticSexEd, or by calling us directly at 315-802-5526. We can answer your questions and also assist you with booking your appointments. Now, a really cool option that we are now offering during COVID is our telehealth visits. Telehealth is basically means you can be seen by one of our providers and receive services through a video chat. That's right. For a lot of our services, you don't even have to step into our health center. If you're nervous about coming in or it's just not convenient for you to come into our clinic, ask about booking a telehealth appointment.
Okay, so we offer so many different services. 90% of them are prevention services. That means we're mostly seeing patients for STI testing and treatment, cancer screening and prevention, and contraception, which is more commonly known as birth control. And here is a full list of our services that we offer at our Syracuse clinic. Okay, so you can come in and grab condoms and other safer sex materials for free without even stepping into our waiting room. We keep a bunch right in the doorway, and if you need anything special, you can come in and our front desk staff will help get those for you. We also give diapers and children's items to our patients. Most recently, we started giving out menstrual cups. So we have a lot of cool free things that we're giving to people all the time. Anytime someone comes in for any appointment, they can access those programs. Another newer service we offer is gender affirming hormone care. That's for our transgender, non-binary, and non-conforming patients who are 18 and older, and they don't need to have a letter from a mental health provider or a doctor to be seen. Just tell us what you want and you got it. Something we always have available for walk-ins is emergency contraception in the form of Plan B. Folks just give us $40 and our front desk will give it right to you regardless of who you are. People can also get Plan B or emergency contraception for free during an appointment. So ask about it when you come in for a visit, even if you think your visit is completely unrelated. All right, like we mentioned before, STI testing and treatment is a big chunk of what we do. That includes HIV testing. If a person has a reactive HIV test, we refer them to a treatment provider. Another big one is pregnancy testing. If someone has a positive pregnancy test with us, we will then do an ultrasound and offer options counseling. The options we talk about with people are starting and growing their family, what kinds of support are available locally to help them out. We also talk to people about public adoption agencies. And if someone wants to end their pregnancy, we have 2 abortion options that are available at our clinic, depending on how far along they are. We offer medication abortions up to 10 weeks of conception and surgical abortions up to 13 weeks and 6 days. We also offer cancer screening in the form of breast exams and Pap tests. Pap tests are usually part of a pelvic exam where we check out cervical cells while taking a look at the outside and the inside of the vagina. A huge cancer prevention offering of ours is the Gardasil 9 vaccine, or the HPV vaccine, which protects against the 9 forms of HPV that are high risk for cancer, which, side note, is what we're looking for during a Pap test. Then there's birth control. We prescribe every kind of birth control from the pill to the IUD. Lots of times people can get their prescription the same day as their appointment. And finally, much like the birth control pill that people have to take once a day to prevent pregnancy, we also offer a medication called PrEP, which is a once daily pill that prevents against HIV.
So if you are considering coming in for any of these services we just talked about, please don't let confidentiality or payment scare you away. Services are completely confidential no matter what your age is, especially for teens. We ensure this by also offering our own insurance program called the Family Planning Benefit Program to our patients. That means most of these services will be no cost to patients, especially our teen or school age patients. For those services that aren't covered by the Family Planning Benefit Program or someone's personal insurance, we know a bunch of other programs that we can connect you to that will help to keep costs at a minimum. Don't worry, this is something we can help you out with during your appointment.
Thank you so much for listening in. We hope to hear from you soon. Please know we are here for info, for services, really even for entertainment. If you want to connect, now you know how to reach out, what we have to offer, and that it's confidential and mostly free. With that being said, thanks for having us. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye.